gotta read the keychain. You gotta read it. I can't say it. Did you see it? Yeah, that's pretty neat to see. I remember seeing this. You get to see the same cars every now and then that come around. I admired this one. I did a lot of looking at this one because it's just so many. It's an interesting design, the lines and all these little details. So the Mustang convertible. Oh, that's pretty neat. The fake hood scoop there is missing a piece. There's a nice mock one. And then we got the Challenger. I think it's a 72. I like the years. This year dashboard. The years, many years of this style of dashboard. Big wraparound dashboard. I know they make other styles, a little smaller. They probably have more detail that you would need to get the info you need, oil pressure and temperature, all those other things. So this GMC, we're gonna look at this truck because it's the paint and the rims. You see the glitter in this? I don't know if you can see the glitter. Quite the glitter in this one.
Don't worry, I'll sell like Kermit the Frog by 8 o'clock. $50. Well, that's a nice Toyota. I like this. It was the cadence in which it came out. Me? Yeah. Did I do that? I was shocking. What are you talking about? 50-50. Do you want your 50-50 tickets?
No, we're gonna pass on it. Yeah, we might leave before the draw. Hey, thanks. Oh, that's a neat cooler. V8. It's like a V8 engine. This is something I'd like to get. Been eyeing these up.
Oh yeah.
With a swap motor. He's taken out the old motor and upgraded it with a more modern one.
Yeah, this is.
And the modern ones now are just like so easy to make the power. Got to have the power.
I guess that was the beginning of sporting.
It's nice looking. So clean. Did nice clean up job on it.
I wonder why they came with two channels as opposed to one.
16 injectors instead of 8.
Is this yours, sir?
Yeah.
How many with the dual overhead made?
Total from 90 to 95.
And that was an optional to the standard, I guess. Eh?
Yeah. That's an optional engine.
How many of this made? How many the production number on? You remember? Did they ever tell you?
Well,
I hardly see them.
Yeah, no, they're very rare.
Yeah.
But there's only like maybe 6,000
Is that right?
from between 90 and 95.
That's it, eh? 6,000 from the whole run?
The whole run. Yeah, that's why you don't see a lot. Right?
Yeah.
These are very rare. Yeah.
I overheard you say something about injectors, so it's all standard injectors in this?
Yeah. So this is, like I said, the LT5, right? It's got 16 injectors instead of the regular 8.
16. So is it blowing into the port then?
Yeah.
So there's a...
Yeah,
okay,
two for each one, yeah.
One's
Wow.
4 cams.
Yeah. And then...
4 cams.
4 cam, yeah. So if you wanted to upgrade cams, are they available if you wanted to?
I'm sure
they're
you can
there?
get them.
You got it's all stock, eh?
Yeah, it's all.
Is this all original?
All original.
Yeah, man,
All
nice.
original.
So I guess this thing goes like hell enough.
Well, today's standards, like 400 horse is really nothing.
Yeah, I know.
But at that time, 400 horse was 400 horse, right?
Yeah, it was good.
It was good, but now, now it's comfortable, right? I mean, what do you need, right?
It's tame.
Yeah.
Idles, you got probably back air, all that stuff. Good running car.
Yeah. I go all over the place.
Yeah.
This thing's got, I've got 253,000 kilometers in this thing.
Runs nice, eh? But you take care of it.
I take care
change
of it.
the oil, the filter. You do da. You just go through. No salt.
No salt.
No.
No salt.
Do you get it wet?
And you dry it up.
Yeah.
Right? I
You go through a puddle and not cry?
No,
or
no.
run to the shop to jack it up and oh my god. Good.
No. I mean, I drive this thing and I get caught in the rain all the time. But rain, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, you're not looking for it, but if
Right.
it rains, it's not a big
Exactly.
issue. You clean it up later because you're having fun. That's awesome. You've had it since new?
Almost. I've had it now for 26 years.
Yeah. Wow. I always see this and 4 cam,
Yeah.
Your filters need a wash.
The one, my
They
filter.
need to be soaked in soap, rinse, and wash.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got the cleaner for it too.
Yeah.
I got the cleaner.
I got the cleaner. Mine I've washed.
It looks so
on.
good.
I wash them all up. I blow from inside. I let them dry. Then I use the other cleaner.
Let's see you brought it out, man. Yeah. Take care, guys. We'll see you around.
Because yours are more exposed. That's why.
Oh, that's another of my favorites. I take a Cougar over a Mustang. Just like the way they look. You like Cougars? Got something leaving here. We got a big truck. Is he coming or going? Hard to tell. Oh, we got one right here too. And we got this buddy here leaving. How could I missed this? I missed the Cougar. How did I miss it? And it was right here. Step back, guys. Check this out. 2 Cougars. Whenever you see 2 of them side by side. There you go, the Hideaway. They both have the same headlights. The Hideaways, these are closed. There they are, open. They look like the same year, too. Here, another car leaving. I think we have to pick up the pace here and have a look-see around. Actually, it's a neat... I like the Barracudas, the fastback with a big dome window there.